Hello! Let's create a personalized dashboard to easily collaborate with your team in real time. With a personalized dashboard, you can give access to data to specific team members, assign tasks, and set permissions to better manage and collaborate on projects. First, let's go to our template gallery. This is where you can find ready-to-use templates, which you can easily edit to fit your particular needs. To add a template to your workspace, click Edit this template. Let's add this OKR tracking form to keep your team on track wherever they are, and this remote team hub to centralize all your data in one place by collecting team data, documents, and directories. Gain visibility into task status by visualizing them in the Kanban board. Nice! Your templates are now available in your dashboard home. This OKR tracking form has multiple steps that are all customizable to your wants and needs. It also contains a success message at the end, which your respondents will see once they finish the form. You can even add a link to your success message to redirect respondents to another page or form after completing the form. Enable partial submissions to view the unfinished responses of people who start answering the poll, answer a few of your questions, and leave. Use these insights to improve your projects and conversion rates. Use incomplete responses to gain more insights into your users. Once you've finished your form, you can start customizing it to make it yours from the Design tab. Here's where you can choose to show all of the questions on the same page or each question separately. You can also shuffle the order of questions or the order of the options inside the fields. Change the theme and colors of your quiz, add a background image, or even customize the text on the buttons and messages. When you're ready to publish your form, you can add it to your website as an iframe, script, widget, or chatbot. Don't worry though, you don't need to understand programming to make it work. Just copy the code that Formaloo gives you and paste it into your website, and it starts to work right away. With logic, you can show different questions based on how your audience answers the survey, calculate variables, and dedicate different success messages depending on the answers to the survey. Then build an app to categorize and organize your collected data. Easily create a Kanban board categorized by the status of your leads, documents, and directories. In this Kanban board, you can create different tasks and assign them to different team members. Drag and drop your cards to a different section once a task has been finished and can be moved to the next step. Every new response on your survey will automatically show up in your pipeline, and you can easily add documents to each board. And the status is an admin-only field that is only visible to the admins, and your survey takers won't know about it. You will also get immediate insights into the responses through charts and visualizations. Just add a new page to your app and choose charts or advanced charts. Advanced charts help you compare fields and build advanced custom visualizations on your data. You don't need to be a data expert to get insights from your data anymore. And that's it. From here you can start sharing forms, documents, tasks, and start working together seamlessly, all whilst being remote. With Formaloo surveys, the things that you can achieve are endless. This is a tool that will make you want to do more for your customers, whether it's building forms and polls from scratch or tracking responses to keep in touch with your customers in a better way. Say goodbye to all of those unorganized duplicate data in multiple applications and say hello to Formaloo. Happy Formalooing!